Here's a 10-inch Vortalex from 1947. And here it is. I can't remember if it's low or high. It's high. That's just the buzzing. The toaster oven. They're actually very quiet and efficient. This thing moves a lot of air for its size. Does oscillate. And it is in balance. Here it is on low. These do make a pleasant noise or sound. They're very quiet. I mean, this thing is, it moves a decent amount of air, and it's very quiet. And it's obviously not as efficient as Emerson 77's. Their capacitor motors, but I mean, this is still pretty good for a shaper pull. And this one is in amazing condition. Very nice condition. Especially for one of these. Usually they're either in great shape or terrible shape, but this one's in great shape. The badge could be polished up like this one. So thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed.